In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make crispy, flavorful smashed potatoes in the air fryer. Perfectly golden, crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. Let's dive in. Here's everything you'll need. Small to medium sized potatoes like Yukon Gold or baby potatoes because they're creamy and hold their shape well. Olive oil to give the potatoes a perfectly crisp texture. Salt and pepper to enhance the natural flavor. Garlic powder and paprika for added depth and a smoky kick. Fresh rosemary, or dried in my case, to add a fragrant earthy touch. A fork or potato masher for smashing the potatoes. A strainer, saucepan and an air fryer with trays, which ensures even cooking by spreading the potatoes out. So from here, begin by rinsing the potatoes under cold running water to remove any dirt or debris. Once they're clean, place them in a pot of boiling water. Boil for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they're fork tender. This softens the potatoes and makes them perfect for smashing later. Alright, after boiling, drain the potatoes using a strainer. Allow them to cool for a few minutes so they're easier to handle without breaking apart and burning your hands. Once the potatoes are cool enough to handle, place them on a flat surface or a tray lined with parchment paper. Using the back of a fork or a potato masher, press down gently on each potato until they're flattened to about half an inch thick. Be gentle to keep them intact here, but don't worry if the edges crack a bit. As you can see on mine, that's what gives them those irresistibly crispy bits. Drizzle the smashed potatoes with a little olive oil to help them crisp up beautifully in the air fryer. Then sprinkle on salt and pepper for flavor, garlic powder for a savory touch, and paprika for its smoky depth and vibrant color. Finally, add rosemary, which brings a warm, aromatic flavor that complements the potatoes perfectly. Also, feel free to mix it up with your own favorite spices and let me know in the comments below what seasoning you like to use on your smashed potatoes. Place the smashed potatoes onto the trays of your air fryer, spreading them out in a single layer as you see here. This ensures that air can circulate around each potato, giving them that perfect crispiness. Slide the trays into the air fryer and set the temperature to around 200 degrees or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook for roughly 10 minutes. Halfway through cooking, take out the trays and flip the potatoes. This ensures they're evenly cooked and crispy on both sides. Also, switch the positions of the trays to make sure every piece cooks evenly. Once the timer is up, check the potatoes. They should be golden and crispy on the outside while remaining soft on the inside. Your smashed potatoes are now ready to serve. Enjoy them as a side dish, snack or appetizer. They pair perfectly with your favorite dipping sauce or can be topped with fresh herbs for extra flavor. Don't forget to leave a comment, let me know what seasoning you try on your smashed potatoes. Like, subscribe and stay tuned for more delicious air fryer recipes like this one.